Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to create a photo design using just your mobile phone. We will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean eye-catching design. Click the shape option. I hope you will like in this type of editing. Click the razor option. Click the copy option. Click another copy. Editing is very easy. Click the color option. Click on hue option. Increase the brightness. Now your design is ready, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.